I will compare Dropship.io and Minea, two leading product research tools for dropshipping to help you decide which one is the best for finding profitable products and scaling your e-commerce business. So I've been using both of them for the last 6 months, so I think I can tell you everything that you need to know. So I will divide this video into certain areas, and if you watch this video until the end, I will make sure that you have everything that you need to know about Dropship versus Minea. So stick until the end and let's dive into the video right now. So let's start with the platform overview. Well, Minea is a competitive intelligence platform that tracks and analyzes high-performing ads on Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest to help sellers discover winning products. And Dropship.io, on the other hand, is a comprehensive product research tool that provides real-time data on trending dropshipping products, competitive insights, and analytics to optimize product selection. And let's move on to the pricing and the plans. Dropship.io offers tiered pricing plans with access to advanced analytics, competitor tracking, and AI-driven product suggestions. And as you can see in here, we have basic, standard, and premium, and you can select to pay monthly or pay yearly. And there is also a 7-day free trial, and you can cancel this at any time, so you can actually start risk-free. And what are the main differences between the plans? Well, we can see basic in here, and it says everything you need to get started with finding new products. And this will give you 20 searches a day, 10,000 credits, and it is for 10 stores and 15 stores a day in the Chrome extension. While when you upgrade to standard, you will have unlimited searches, 25,000 credits, and 25 stores and 30 stores a day in the Chrome extension. So when you increase from basic to standard, you will actually have unlimited searches. And that is really valuable for competitor research. So with 20 searches a day, you will be pretty limited. So the standard option is looking like the best option in here. And what about Minea? Minea provides flexible pricing based on a number of ad searches and features, including spy tools for influencer marketing. And we also have 3 plans in here. We have the starter, premium, and business. And from starter, you have 10,000 credits, meta ads with advanced filters, unlimited safe tracking lists, and also a lot of AI-powered tools. So that is a really nice one. And you also have the premium version. This will give you 10,000 credits and is mainly focused on TikTok and Pinterest ads and Shopify and TikTok stores. So I would say if you're more into a Shopify store, then the premium plan will be the best one for you. And as you can see, this is $99 a month, and this is really higher than Dropship.io, but you will also get more value in this premium plan, including the 10,000 credits. So this is a really nice plan. So that is about the pricing between Dropship.io and Minea. Minea is more expensive, but Minea offers more credits. This has also to do with the spy tools. So let's move on to the features and the tools. So as I already said, Minea offers an ad spy tool that tracks thousands of high-performing Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest ads to identify winning products. And it allows users to filter ads based on engagement metrics, ad duration, and platform performance. It also provides brand monitoring features to analyze competitors and their marketing strategies. And what about Dropship.io? Dropship.io offers real-time product tracking and detailed sales data to help dropshippers make informed decisions. It also includes a competitor research tool that allows users to analyze Shopify stores and their best-selling products, and it features AI-powered product recommendations to discover trending items. And here you can see all the sellers that are applicable, that are Shopify, Amazon, eBay, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, and there are plenty of more. So let's move on to the ease of use. Well, Dropship.io is designed with a user-friendly interface that allows dropshippers to quickly access data and analyze trends efficiently. While Minea, on the other hand, features an intuitive dashboard with advanced filters to refine ad searches and find profitable products based on real-time ad performance. So I would say that Minea is best for those who rely on ad intelligence and want to find winning products by analyzing top-performing ads on social media platforms. And I would say that Dropship.io is the best option for dropshippers who want in-depth competitor analysis, AI-driven product recommendations, and data-driven insights. So let's make a final verdict on Dropship.io versus Minea. And I would say choose Dropship.io if you need data-driven product research and competitor insights, and go with Minea if you prefer ad intelligence tools to discover winning dropshipping products. And which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.